Okay, so while the car is down, waiting on that housing for the oil filter, I'm gonna throw in a Diamond Motorsports pedal catcher or pedal extender. This is probably the best mod under $50. You can go with this one, or there's an adjustable one, whichever one. It's super simple, but if you just gotta focus, this is probably the best under $100, it's 50 bucks. The main problem with these cars is that if you look at the stock location, you have your gas pedal, which is sunken all the way into the car or into the back. So if you try to heel toe or any type of downshifting to where you need to press the brake and the gas at the same time, it's damn near impossible, and it makes a lot of time going to the track impossible as well. So I believe all you need is a 10 millimeter, and you take off this bolt here, this bolt, undo that sensor out the top of your pedal, and then there's another bolt right up there. So 1, 2, 3. You take the pedal out and you shove this on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pedal out and we'll take a look at it. All right, after taking your pedal out, you're just going to place this on the back of the car, or pedal first, or the location, because you need to bolt this in with this hardware. So these are going to go in here because you're going to match this and this up right there, and it is going to go right there and right there. That's the stock hardware, and this provided hardware is going to go against the car, and I'll show you that once it's in. So this first, then this, if that makes sense. Alright, so let's go put this in the car. Alright, so you could use the provided nuts or the old ones. It's up to you, but basically it's going to be in there just like that. And you're going to take these and you're going to screw it down. So you're going to take these nuts, screw it down, and then you're going to take your pedal and you're going to place it and line it up just like that. Ooh. And this bolt right here is going to go through there, and you're just going to bolt it up. So let me go ahead and bolt it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So just to put it in, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have your new nuts on the stock bolts, and you're just going to bolt this down. Diamond Motorsports logo on the bottom. Of course, it's the only way it's going to work. And then you have that hole up there and this hole right here. And the provided bolts are going to go through that, through this, and onto that. So once I bolt this down, I'll let you guys know. Okay. So it is in. Pedal extender right there. New bolts right through. Plugged in. So super easy. It brings it all the way up, so it's almost pretty much the same level now. Stock, it was all the way back there, and then it brings it up all the way up. So now heel towing is going to be so much easier, and it just brings more comfort while driving. So it's probably the best $50 mod you could do to this car, and it takes like 5 minutes. If I wasn't filming, it would have taken me 5 minutes. I think because of filming, it took me 10 minutes. But highly recommend. Super easy. They make 2 of them. There's one that's adjustable. I got this one. It was a local sale for like 30 bucks. So why not? Everything fits perfectly, and like I said, it brings that pedal up, and it's going to be a driving mod it's gonna feel so much better. But yeah, it looks fantastic. Alrighty, that's pretty much the install. Super easy, super quick. Just something to do while I wait for parts to come in for this car, since I still have the oil leak. And it's the housing, so I have that on order. So once that comes in, we could grab the housing, throw that on there, and hopefully go ahead and drive, because this thing is ready to drive. It is wanting to drive. So once that comes in, do an install video on that and how to replace it, and then hopefully we'll take this thing out for its first drive on this turbo and see what it does. I think it's on 15 pounds of wastegate. So yep, like I said, best $50 mod, go pick one up. Best thing you'll ever do for this car. All right, peace out.